Hi YouTube. You know what's not nice? Being bored. It's so annoying. You can't do anything. Well, you can, but you don't know what to do. I've driven myself to actually reading this. I was meant to use this as a test thing for a book thing for advanced potions making. But no, I've ended up reading the Oxford Children's Dictionary. Grandma. Yeah. Owl. What the hell is that? Anyway. I am bored, basically. I am very bored. Hold on. On my YouTube page is... Have I posted anything with this? It's my wand. I'm such a geek. But seriously, I love that wand. I've got quite a lot of ideas coming up. So, me and my friend Aiden, we're going to have our first business meeting on the 7th of January. 7th. So, we're going to have a business meeting about TheComicproductions after it started up, a week after it started up, and we're going to make at least one video by then. So, see how it's going to go from there. And if you know anybody who might like anything, or even if they don't like it, just tell them to come here and say it's something else. Say it's a cute little kitten or something. Cute kitten. Or that sneezing panda. The panda who was all like... Oh, and you know what else I'm obsessed with? Angry Birds. Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds, Angry Birds. I'm obsessed. I can't take it. It's annoying. Just... Angry Birds is in my head, like, permanently. And making films and advanced potions making. Actually, I have found out that I have some spray adhesive, so... Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. When I come back, this... we'll have this on. Ha 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 ha. 4 days till Christmas. I'm gonna be at my dad's in 4 days. I'm gonna be at my dad's in 3 days. Which I'm seeing him in 2 days. Oh man, I really need to do presents, okay? I know it's bad. I haven't done them yet. I'm going shopping to... Oh, text. I'm going shopping tomorrow for some, and I am making something, but remember, anyone who I owe a present to, like, anyone who watches this and is in my family and is expecting a present, you won't get one at Christmas, basically, because I still need to make it, but it will be good. I've made some of it, but it will be quite quick, it will be quite short, and fairly low on quality, but that's because I don't have the right stuff to make it with, and yeah, I'm sorry, it's okay, thank you. Oh. That is what it's meant to look like. If this was a thick book, instead of just pictures and stickers and stuff, it would be better. And I wouldn't need to go through all the trouble to do stuff. The RPF, who I was relying on to let me do most of my Harry Potter stuff for that feature film that I'm doing has let me down. Everything lets me down, but especially the RPF. I'm very disappointed because everyone seems to get on there fine. Like they don't even log on and they get on it because it's free. Yet when I try to go on, it tells me to log in, so I do, and then it says that I haven't got permission to get in there. What? How does that even work? I don't have permission to get into a free thing. It says something like, am I thinking of making a comment when I actually need to post up to 20 posts before I can comment on a thread? I don't really care. I just want to copy and paste some pictures. It's not so bad. It seems to only be me. Like, it doesn't work on my laptop, it doesn't work on the Mac, but it works for everyone else. It is only me, and I swear it senses where I am, so it doesn't work there. And it's so annoying. Might actually shoot it. You guys still here? I've run out of things to say. I'm going to leave, but while I'm gone until this whole video ends, please enjoy this picture of a giant spider eating a pigeon. Bye.